Happy Monday, everybody. Hope everybody's good. Hope everybody had a great weekend. Today we get to continue playing with one, and then have one for service, annual service, and track day. Basically, checklist for track day, making sure it performs the way it's supposed to be. Everything's up to date, up to code, and all the yada yada yada. We have a Aventador that previous shop installed bumper on. Well, as you can see, there's a small leak. Previous shop installed a screw that is too long, and I can't show you, but it rubbed its way through the radiator, and now it's leaking, and it's leaking good, and it's oil, which is not good. So we're waiting for a new radiator to come in. When we get that, we'll finish this puppy up. I don't know if you guys remember, last year we worked on this one. We installed this, I think they're called Cena seats, or Cena, the two original OEM seats. Try to find some nowadays. They're ridiculous the amount of money. I mean, 30K plus, that's if you find them. But this one's here for track day inspection and annual service. We're just gonna go through it, make sure everything is like it should be, and yeah, continue with that. Beautiful car. Guy really has fun with it. Tracks it all the time. Even changed, remember? We changed the brakes. We got rid of the carbon. And coming soon, we'll show you what will happen in this facility. But yeah, hope everybody's having a great day. I'm having a great day. Cup noodle. Yeah, buddy. Alright, take care, guys.
Why have a serious face like that?
Because I'm looking for a tool that I cannot find.
You wanna? You need that. How's the color?
Special little pin tool.
Pin tool. Okay, pin tool.
All brakes.
All brakes. Yeah, he worked on the Porsche Macan. It's a slow Macan. Found it. It's a slow Macan. Yeah, this is what you're looking for.
It's also considered.
No, stop, no. Okay, before I get the new the cooler for engine oil cooler, the cooler stuck in custom. It's always like that. Yeah, but I need to work on this door hinge. I don't know what happens, but see how it's really difficult to close the door. Something clicking inside, and I need to replace the door hinge. It's just like I slowly start to remove the pass door panel, because we need to take out the harness, and inside the fender liner, and remove the few bolts, like I think 3-4 bolts for this door hinge, and install the new one, and then adjust the door. It's like I don't like any body adjustment. Here is the one more McLaren. Yeah, came for PPI and for service. It's still bright for me, but the yellow color is nice. I like the yellow one. Some bubble over there. It's no, this is not underpaint. This clear bra. Ilya, did you see the bubble inside on the front bumper? Yeah. Looks cool. I like it. Well, yeah, let's work on this guy.
He is working on the door. It's apart.
I'm working on the door, but guys, I want to show you some things for understanding what's going on. Here is the hinge. This guy. This is made the old style hinge without that mechanism. This is parafuse. It's like parafuse. Right.
Parafuse.
No, this is not a parafuse. Come on, this is just, how's the column?
It's a ammo. It's a gun. It's a bullet.
This is like a pyro cutter. Okay, if accident happens, this is airbag. Let's say airbag, some safety system. It's below. This hit this frame, and here is the big bolt, and tied with the. This is the bolt with the thread. If you can see over there, and tied. But when that pyro is blowing, they open this nut, like say nut with the spring, just to open it, and door flying out. I mean, why? This is for safety, mostly for safety. And second things, if something happens, accident, the door flying out and you can
Get out.
get out from total car, because we don't know what happens, maybe fire, maybe some crazy stuff. This is just for safety and for protection, and this is of course for you can fly out. I mean, the door out and you can fly. But I don't know, mostly this is for protection, and if the system catch fire after accident, you can easily just cut your belt or open your belt and get out of here. I believe that hinge cost arm and leg.
Look at these wonderful spark plugs.
Oh, I have Misfire.
Yeah.
Why is my car shaking?
You have engine issues.
But guys, just like this is repair. We want that car is really bad, misfiring. Its two cylinder is out, and we just replaced the spark plugs for now. But actually 2018 full loaded
100.
S, no, not S, sorry, it's a Q7 3-liter V6 supercharged, and the car has 100,000 miles on the clock. She drive a lot, but the causes of the problem, it's crazy oil consumption, and she added like every day how yeah
She has this in
yeah
here.
the funnel, yeah, and she add a lot of engine oil every day. It's like for sure half and quarter every day, and that's just like burning spark plugs. You can see this like all engine oil over there. Let me show you again. This is how it looks. Let me zoom a little bit. Yeah, it's a big carbon.
Look at this one.
Yeah, that I mean, we just like, you know, just a fix temporary, but for sure we need, or we want to decide to swap low mile engine or to rebuild. But I think we just swap engine, and that car going back to road. Beautiful car, but you know, it's a new engine, and now actually we know the future problem with that engine, oil consumption, and that car is out of warranty. Here is the Aventador. We almost done. You see how it's now, it's door open and close. Just up. Ooh, no squeaky. No squeaky. The new hinge, but the biggest problem to adjust the glass. You know, you need to close the door, one guy inside, another outside, and regulate with the two bolts. But now it's actually everything. See? Done. Yeah, no gap. I hope no air leak, and we're still waiting for rear oil cooler, but some problem with the custom. Anyway, we have to wait.
What you doing?
I can see what I'm doing. Almost. We received the oil cooler.
Oh.
Yeah, this is like, hold on. I think one more bolt. See everything.
It's nice and wet in the bottom.
Oh yeah. Yeah, there's just a one more bolt and we can see what the damage is. Oh, by the way, one of our customer got a new toys today. Oh, it's actually yesterday, but he stopped by, say hi today. And tomorrow that car came for service. And but I just wanna say, I know many of the Audi fans watch our vlog. Just like wanna say small teaser. It's a Nagi color, Nagara blue. But tomorrow you can see what cars. Yeah, give me a few seconds. You can see this, like, yeah, just like I think this one more bolt over there.
This is all wet. all oil.
All oil.
All happened because somebody put a screw in.
I think the last week I showed this extremely monkey business.
Yep.
Extremely monkey business.
All of this is oil.
Yeah, the car has been
all oil.
wrecked before.
It's
Fix it. And this is monkey business. I like it. But hold on, give you a second. I am almost done. Listen, I want to see the damage with our. Okay, here we go.
one of the most recognized taillights for communities. Audi, not Audi, any communities. These taillights.
Oh, see? This is one more bolt over there.
Ah, zip tie.
Zip bolt. Let me grab the cutter. One more bolt.
Wow, that's how it's held up together. Definitely professionals.
Definitely professionals. That car is big surprise. Oh.
Dang, oil in it. Ouch.
Yeah.
Sorry for laughing, but
See this, like you can see the
this stupidity. Wow.
It's almost 2 grand. They poked 2 grand. Just like take 2 grand and poke by the.
Let's see what happens.
Yeah. Shit. Holy
He means shoot.
Holy moly. I mean holy moly. Wow. See, this is long time. This just like vibrate. See? No, but when they did it, they pick exactly, you know, poked exactly in the middle. They didn't destroy this line, and that line only starts. See, this is like just a shaking, and this would happen. Wow. Okay. Let's fix this.
Everything's in oil. It's been leaking badly, and there's the corporate. This wonderful unit right here.
Wow.
Lamborghini.
Yeah. Looks like done. You can see, guys. This is how they repair it after damage. But this happens. And here is repair after damage. That car is rebuild title, and you can see we done the.
Yeah, the bracket is in and out.
Yeah, this is the reason why the radiator is shaking and that big turd from the bolt.
This little hole right here.
Yeah, but now everything is solid. Little bit movement for avoid the vibration.
Good to go.
Yeah, good to go. Nardo gray here. Simple service, brake bleed, like let's say annual service. But today we have some special. I spoke about this car yesterday. But two RS6. Flat black and Tribute. Guys, do you know what is this? It's a Tribute. It's a 1 of 25 car even produced. RS6 Tribute with a Nagar blue color and exactly same the color stitches, interior stitches. It's unique car. Similar than this one, but unique. And that car with ABT tune. This is what I know. This is what I heard from the new owner. For this car we do just a first maintain service. For this we have some special again. First, the sway bar. It's from ABT, of course. It's a thicker, stronger. Make better corner, I believe, right? What do you think?
Yeah.
But Here is the one guy.
Did you buy a baby wheel?
It's a no baby wheel. This is the logo wheel. Okay. The one guy, he's from Belarus. He made custom made, really. He live in New York and he custom made. It's a super sexy and beautiful steering wheels. Let's open and check how is the new steering wheel. Oh, the first one. Let's check the original one. Before I open, I take that steering wheels. Yeah, here is the how it looks original one. Right? Looks good. Here is the new custom. RS6, all carbon fiber. Nice red stitching. What do you think, guys? It's really cool, right?
Sexy.
Sexy, beautiful, and more carbon fiber. It's a carbon fiber Audi.
Yeah.
Let's install that steering.
Big brakes. Steering wheel. It's time to have some fun. Wait, this is an automatic.
Okay.
There you go.
The first service is done.
It is done.
It is done.
Well, 80% done.
80% done. We just need a fuel engine oil.
Yep.
And make sure the filter is tight.
Bone dry, no leaks.
And no leaks. No, of course, couple thousand miles. And here's the another guy. I replace the sway bar. Steering wheel coming soon. I replaced the front sway bar. Now it's time for rear sway bar from ABT company. Well. Already finished. I love this light. Really love this light. Okay, car is finished. We install the new side door cover, the carbon from ABT and steering wheels. It looks really sexy and made by professional. Stitches, fitment, everything is good. Of course, I like this logo and stitches, and really professional job. And pedal shift. Just would like to say wow. But no shifting light. They can make the shifting light if you ask them. Suspension sway bar from ABT, just for better corner, and I hope we start to tune and this car really soon.